We live in a world, if you didn't know, but this beautiful, beautiful world is home to, some might call it a snack sanctuary, some might call it a safe space, others might call it Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is also home to the most beautiful reusable bags you'll ever see in your life, especially this pickle bag. I decided to make a corset and a purse out of it because why not? And now I'm going to show y'all. The first thing you want to do is cut that bitch open, cut off the straps. You want to lay it flat to have a flat surface so you can lay your pattern on. I didn't use a pattern. I just free drew and free cut out a pattern of my own that I made, but you can definitely use a pattern. They're everywhere online. So I'm just sewing that together. Next, you want to cut out the lining. For my lining, I used a flexible, stretchy black fabric, and I just laid my pattern on top and cut it out. I also was doing this at 3 in the morning, so forgive any bad footage or bad face. To make the hems and the edges look pretty, I bought a bunch of different ribbons. First, I sewed on this black ribbon, and then I got this pretty lace red ribbon to match. And here I am pinning it, and then a third one for fun. Since this is a corset, I'm adding on jumbo silver eyelets in the back so I can tie it up. It also helps if you mark where you want it and then cut out a hole to place it in. Now you just want to hammer them in to make sure they're nice and sturdy. I used an eyelet kit from Joann's and just hammer away, make sure they're on tight. And this is what it looks like. I also bought this red and silver pendant to match, and I'm hand sewing it on in the middle just to add some nice detail. And I had all these leftover scraps, so I'm like, you know what? Let's make a purse. I just sewed all of them together to make a sort of collage. I was inspired by the sweetheart neckline of the corset, so I decided to make it a heart. So I just sewed pieces together until it made 2 heart panels. And then you want to cut out the lining pieces. I just traced out my heart patterns. I had leftover ribbon, so I just added that around the edges and in the middle. And then I used the straps from the original tote on the new purse and sewed the 2 panels together. And this is how it turned out. I also added 2 little bows at the top for some cute details. And here's how it looks on the inside. And this is how the corset came out. Here's the front and here's the back. Overall, I'm really happy with how it came out. I think it's unique, and I might use the other tote bags to make more. If you saw someone wearing this at your local Trader Joe's, what would you do? What would you say? I'm kind of scared, but I did go through all this effort. Maybe you can recreate this if you like pickles, if you like totes, if you like corsets and Trader Joe's. Okay, thank you. Bye.